Right, so I've got the DJI Action 5 Pro, and let me show you how to charge this camera. Now this is very simple. Now with the camera facing you, on the right hand side is going to be this little door, and you can see the arrow pointing down. So you need to put some pressure and then slide the door down and then lift this lid, and that's where the USB Type-C port is. All right, so that's where you charge the camera from. Now, you can use any Type-C cable connected to a power source to charge your camera. So all you have to do now is put it in, just connect it to the Type-C port, just like that. And as long as the other end is connected to power, it should start charging. Now you can tell it's charging because you're going to see the charging indication. Okay, in the top right corner, you can see you can see that little lightning across the battery, and that shows you it's charging, and you can even see the battery percentage. Now you don't have to use this cable. There's actually a Type-C to Type-C cable that comes bundled inside the box of your camera. Okay, so this is the one that's recommended for you to use in case you don't have another Type-C cable, and you need to plug one end into that Type-C port and the other end to a power source. Now it could be a Type-C charging brick, it could be a power bank, it doesn't really matter. You can actually charge this with so many options. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.